Hello, people of the world, and Facebook user. We are anonymous. Some journalists insist we assign a kinship of a message. Announce the destruction of the Facebook site. We fight for freedom of expression and respect for fundamental freedoms around the world, and therefore, no attack against the media or recreation of the people will occur. However, our operation will take place Facebook. It will aim to inform users on how the site manages and uses personal data. You post every day. You must know, above all, that all information you share with the site, you belong, but you generously offer operation, as explained in the terms of use. You grant a license, non-exclusive, non-transferable, sub-licensable, royalty-free, worldwide, for the use of intellectual property content that you post on Facebook, or relationship. Your photos or videos can then be exploited. By signing, you grant Facebook an irrevocable, perpetual, non-exclusive, transferable, worldwide, to use, copy, publish, distribute, store, perform, transmit, scanose, modify, publish, translate, adapt, redistribute any web content deposited on the site. Disable your account is useless. FileSpeak keeps your data in memory. The only solution is completely remove their profile. When a person dies as well, he is saved. In addition, all data can be stored and used for several months after deletion. FileSpeak operates its data in terms of statistics, as evidenced by the privacy policy. If you join a page of an artist you like, and you used to wear hats on your photos, do not be surprised to find these accessories in the next clip of this artist. Anonymous also want to caution you against the use of applications such as games on the site. Indeed, depending on the authorization, the application will be able to extract some of your personal information, such as your phone number or address. But that's not all. Some of you may have heard in the media regularly the involvement of FileSpeak in Arab revolutions. Although the site was an interesting platform for the exchange of information, however, what is not telling you is that the company also collaborate with local authorities, and security vulnerabilities of the site, and their failure has allowed tyrants of Tunisia and the Libyan spy, arrest, and to execute, opponents to these dictatorial regimes. Today, spying on the internet, including accounts FileSpeak cause death. In Syria, for example, the bloody regime of Bashar al-Assad, chasing protesters on the internet and does not hesitate to fire on the crowd. But still FileSpeak encourages users to inform their personal data. FileSpeak is a free site. It works so by selling assets to the highest bidder, by selling one of the most valuable things for users, their private lives. You've been warned. Use FileSpeak intelligently. We anonymous. We do not kill the messenger. Join us and fight to defend your rights. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.